Hey, how's it going there? Senior Fumo, and got another video going on. Gonna spend some time with my dogs. Yeah, so spend some time with my dogs, medicate. Got a little bit of medicine here. Got the piece. Got the rig. And then, of course, I got the medicine. And then, of course, I got a little torch there. Got a torch, get that flame going, no? So anyway, let's go check out where we're gonna go get my dogs. Another weird day in the Northwest. You can tell. I mean, we were here a couple days ago, and I was showing you this, and it was like snowing. Anyway, that's why they call it the evergreen. I mean, shit, winter went by, and fucking grass is still green here. I'm gonna go back here, get the kids, be right back. Tell. They're eager. Hey, don't go too far. Now she's a lot smarter. So leave it to the girls. They're over there where the food's at. The boys are messing around. Hey, Sophie. Sophie, come here. Come here, Mama. Come on. Come and say hi to everybody. Yeah, you're a bunch of noisy little guy. Oh, they're a little happy because they're out today. Anyway, that's enough of them. It's time to do a little bit of medicating. They can make all the noise they want, right? Yeah, they're excited, you know. They want to spend some time with me. And who can blame them? I mean, we're going to medicate here. Hell yeah. Yeah, I know, they're noisy. What can I do? If they're not doing their job, they're having fun, right?